you can't say I ain't never did nothing for you.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
All right, my loves, come with me, get ready with me. We got some things to do using Hermosa hair. Okay, so I'm back with Hermosa hair. I have a Water Wave HD lace front wig. She's a 13x4 unit. I gotta hit the streets, okay? I'm about to be cute. I gotta hit the streets. And I figure, why not throw this on? It doesn't look like it's something that's gonna take a lot of energy from us, so why not get into it, right? So this is the inside of the cap. She has 3 combs at the top. 1, 2, 3, one in the middle, one in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Take a look at this Water Wave unit, guys. Like, absolutely positively stunning. Like, I'm really, really happy with the way this looks. She also comes with a little bit of baby hair, okay? This is a HD lace unit. We have her in 22 inches, okay? Let me say this. Immediately, yes, the hair is unbelievably soft. Immediately it's soft. So that I like, because usually we get Water Wave wigs and they like crunch and munch, like mousse down, product down, and we don't like that, okay? So yeah, so this is like less product. I can already feel she's super nice to the touch. I don't expect for this to be something massive that we, you know, have to go through. Hermosa Hair provided us with the hair bag. We have a wig cap. We have a lace band, okay? Also an adjustable band if we wanted to add that, okay, with the ear tabs, which I don't ever have time for that, ever have time for that, okay? And then some lashes, a pack of 2. The one on the bottom I might can get down with, maybe. Okay, so I'm going to throw mother up on our head. Did I tell you that she's going for just under $300? She's around $257 for 22 inches, 220% density. They say this is 220% density. I would be curious to know what the 150% or 180% density looks like, because to me this is not that thick. But let me throw her up on my head so I can get a better idea. All right, my loves. Real quick, this is a Water Wave HD lace wig from Hermosa Hair. She's 22 inches. She's currently going for about $257. She is a 13x4 lace at 220% density, and she's nasty, okay? Now, for 4 payments of whatever, you can get her together your damn self, okay? I use the jagged edge scissor on the lace. That's one of my tips that I really want to call out. It really makes a difference, and it makes for a much easier application of the unit. Now, you all need to check out hermosahair.com. Y'all know it's tax season, and y'all got y'all a couple extra. So on the top that I'm going to wear. Definitely need to put on earrings, so I don't have those on yet. But we're going to get to that. But I wanted to show you what this unit looked like. Just straight down the middle. Look at that. Still a little ashy, but just a little bit. Just wanted to give her like a big hair, don't care kind of vibe. So my truth is that I'm terrible at middle parts. Like, I don't know why, but I am, okay? So I'm just going to go on through just so we can get a little bit of definition. I'm going to clean up my lace in a second, but I just want to see what she's looking like. Oh, yeah. So this is on, but we don't like the whiteness like around. So I'm just going to do one more. Just a dab of do ya. My contour palette. Yes, it's all beat up and dingy. Don't judge me, Jojo Miami. I'm like I said, I'm so terrible at middle parts. I'm gonna take a little piece of paper towel. Just a little piece, because I want to get the residue up from the sides. Like, we don't want it to look like that, right? I'm gonna use a little bit of alcohol, and then I'm gonna go back and blend my makeup out. So I'm just taking this off. right? So we can really see the line of delineation. I use 440 if you guys were ever wondering. I'm a chocolate girl for real, for real. Okay. I don't want to put any product in this, like, at all. This hair feels phenomenal. It's giving Tiana Taylor Circle My Sweet 16. I'm loving, loving, loving. Y'all know I love big hair. Don't care. This unit is stunning. Like, it's so soft. I wish you could touch it. Like, I just wish. Go ahead, put your hands on it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Look at that. Look how nice she moves, too. Like, she's really beautiful. This was super easy to get together, too. I'm going to... I don't want to put any product in this, like, at all. But I think I can get one more style out of her. So let's do that. Let's do one more style. I'm gonna shove my Mimi Tim out. So the lace is so impeccable on this unit. I'm just gonna snatch this hair back and throw her into a cute top knot bun. Okay, so I am really, really impressed with this unit. It is a high quality 100% human hair lace front wig. Okay, she can be dyed. The shipping does not take long at all, like between 3 to 5 working days of fast shipping, free shipping. Okay, and I really, really do recommend Hermosa hair. I was very impressed with how this unit felt. I am really not used to water wave wigs feeling this Mammy Tech good. It blew my mind. And I think this style was super easy to get together. In real time, I spent maybe 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes pulling it up. And I'm just going to go on through and just make sure that lace is all the way melted. I'm just spraying a little bit more of the Ibn spray, okay? Just a tinge, just to make sure that my lace is completely seamless and really melted in, okay, for a very beautiful top knot bun look. You can't say I ain't never did nothing for you. Not only did I wear her in the middle, I know I didn't want to wear her up because this unit is really, 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 really stunning. I beg of you to go check out Hermosa hair. I beg of you. I am impressed. And I'm going to tell you why. I get a lot of water wave wigs. You guys can go back in the history and the chronicles of what I've done, okay? This unit... water wave, absolutely positively stunning. The Mammy Tatton lace. The Mammy Tatton lace. You might want to square it with your mother. Okay? Not my mother, your mother. Right? I am like, I did so little to this. I have time to spare. No lie, I think this video all in all, it maybe took me 20 minutes. I got on my top from Fashion Nova. I'm going to turn around so you guys can get the full length. In the back, okay, I just did a partial bun. I'm feeling like, you know what I mean? What's that from? What's that from? Because if you're grown, you know. A lot of y'all won't know because y'all know. Y'all young people. But if you're grown, you're going to know what is from. And I'm not going to say nothing. I'm not going to say nothing about it. I'm obsessed. This is stank and nasty. And I don't even know. This is stank and nasty Hermosa hair. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting worked up. I wish you could feel this hair. Now, the unit is absolutely perfection. She feels super snug on my head. I didn't have to Wakanda Forever her in the back. However, I do still feel like she's a very big head friendly unit. Okay, and I think that the girls who are big head friendly will love this. Like, I know the water wave, the curls for the girls. It's really for the girls with the heads. Did you? And I love you, sis. I love you, boo. Don't get it messed up. But I'm saying it really looks good on y'all. So, and I got a little itty bitty head, so sometimes like too much hair be, well, I got a round face because I'm thick. Okay, in real life. My face is getting rounder and rounder the thicker I get. So, we all in the same boat if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Now, again, the texture of this hair is phenomenal. I have her in 22 inches. And I feel like she's pretty long. Like, I feel like she's really pretty long. She comes about to my waist. perfection. Perfection. What more do you want from me? Insert Tyrese. What more do you want from me? This is so damn fly. Hermosa hair. Shout out to them. I feel like we're kind of like on a second or third date with them. And it's giving, I want to be exclusive. I can't wink. How did that look? How did they look? So yeah, I don't really have much else to say. This unit is absolutely stunning. For a water wave wig, she didn't give the crunch and munch, and for that, we are thankful, okay? She really, really does. Like, I didn't want to put any product on her, so I didn't, for real. And I'm glad I didn't, because then I get to salvage her a bit and wear her for a bit longer before I start dipping and doing, okay? So my name is Intisar Eleanor. I hope you really enjoyed this. Do me a favor, bust down, subscribe to this Mimi Tittin channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.